Hello, everyone. Upgrade and improve your inventory tracking process 2025, introducing Inventory Stock Label Generator and Inventory Tracking Dashboard, made easy with LabelEveryPart.com. Our material label generator sheet makes inventory tracking a breeze. Track by bundle size or enter a quantity number. This smart sheet will automatically break down the total of quantity so you can track your inventory by each piece of material. The printed labels will have purchase order number, job number, received date, vendor material code, material description, allocated customer name, number of packs with the same data points, unit of measures, amount that makes the pack size, and all the labels will have a unique QR code image. So now in the Label Data tab, just type in the data per column headings or copy and paste the data into the column headings B through L. Now calculate worksheet. Click into 100 Label tab. You will see that your labels and label tracking data has been generated. Now go to your printing settings and print out your labels. In 100 Label tab, with your mouse highlight all columns and rows. L through V that have label tracking data. Open your inventory tracking dashboard and copy and paste it into the Label Data Log tab. Next following tabs in your inventory tracking dashboard are for your inventory stock counts, quarterly or on-demand cycle counts, year-end inventory. I have set up the sheet with 4 year-end inventory tabs. And between each year, it will have a 3 quarterly cycle count, so you don't have to keep adding tabs. So let's go through a quick example. For your first year cycle count in 2025, click on the tab CC March 25, click on column A, row 3. All scan material labels will be received in column A. The data for columns B through K will auto-populate. This will be your updated stock inventory. Customization options need specific data points on your labels, such as lot number, or customize your QR code data. Send your custom label requests to jb1@labeleverypart.com. Thank you for watching.